Hey, welcome back to another weather update today. Don't really have very much to say at this point. Um, so yeah, also with that, this is kinda interesting to see. But no tropical, really strong, really something to look at right now. The strongest is only 50 miles per hour, I believe. Um, it's not looking too good, and you can definitely see pretty quiet map. Northeast, west. I mean, blizzard warning for Montana. Storm warning for Washington, Montana, and scattered winter weather advisories. Nothing much apart from that. And that's why we're keeping it brief today. You see, minor impacts. Maybe a couple moderate, small areas. Northwest, pretty typical in the mountains. Not very much to talk about. But yeah, that's all that's needed to be said. That's really it for the video. Won't be probably uploading much for the next while. We'll be trying to. Maybe we'll be probably missing out on a lot of tornado warnings, but we'll try to upload as much as I can. Things are getting busy again. And then probably when it gets to summer, I'll be able to go back on that grind for a while. Apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.